In this video, I'll guide you through how to increase the Google Cloud storage. If you find yourself running out of space and need more room for your files and projects, don't worry, adjusting your Google Cloud storage plan is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and explore how you can seamlessly upgrade to a storage plan that meets your needs. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Cloud account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the billing settings. This is where you can manage your subscriptions and see all the details about your current plan. If you're not sure how to find it, usually you can get there by clicking on the menu icon, often represented by three horizontal lines or dots in the upper left corner. From the drop-down, choose Billing. It's a crucial step since this section gives you an overview of your current usage and the options available for upgrading. Now, let's talk about upgrading your storage plan. Within the billing settings, you should see an option to manage your storage plan. Depending on your current subscription, you may see several different plans available, each offering various amounts of storage and different pricing tiers. It's important to consider your current needs and potential future needs when selecting a new plan. If you anticipate a significant increase in data storage requirements, it might be more cost-effective to choose a larger plan upfront. Once you've selected the plan that best meets your needs, it's time to confirm your changes. This step is crucial because it finalizes your decision and applies the new storage limits to your account. Before you confirm, make sure you've reviewed the plan details and pricing to avoid any surprises on your billing statement. After confirming, Google will immediately update your account with the additional storage capacity, allowing you to continue working without interruptions. And there you have it. Increasing your Google Cloud storage is as simple as accessing your billing settings, choosing the right plan, and confirming your upgrade. Remember, this flexibility ensures you always have the space you need for your growing projects, and you can adjust your plan as your storage needs evolve. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Keep an eye on your storage usage over time. Google Cloud provides tools that can help you monitor your usage and optimize performance, ensuring that you're always aware of how much space you're using and how much is left. This awareness can help you manage your data more efficiently and prevent any unexpected storage limitations. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident in managing your Google Cloud storage. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Google support resources are a great place to find additional information. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing.